What's up, y'all? It's your girl Malaysia Simone, but you can call me Professor Slay. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to represent your best self. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to touch up your lace to keep you from having to go to the salon, texture stylist, freak out at home because you invested all this money in getting your wig done, buying the wig, booking the appointment, and after 1 to 2 weeks your lace is already lifting. I'm gonna keep it honest with you, that's what's supposed to happen. You can't permanently glue lace down to your head no matter how hard we try. Lace glue is supposed to come up, and you kind of want it to because y'all don't want to be like a real glue girl. No shade. I am a wig specialist. I do have my own studio in Richmond, Virginia, the Soleil Experience. So if you're in the area and you want to get Soleil, make sure you check the information below. It's a Shop Soleil unit. It's actually, I've had this unit since February last year, so I've been wearing this unit consistently for about a year. I've changed about 3 colors, and as you see, she's still soft and she's still flowing. So if you want to make the right wig investment, make sure you shop Soleil. Sure, also, before we get into this video, that you follow me on my social media accounts, TikTok, Instagram, all of the above, so that you can stay connected with me. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop some new classes for you girls to get Soleil. Alright, so if you're interested in learning how to touch up your lace so you can save some coin on them appointments, girl, keep watching. Alright, y'all, so here I am looking a complete mess. My lace is ashy, dirty, my baby hairs are not laid. It's just giving that lace. But we're gonna fix it because this is ridiculous. Alright, so first I'm gonna pull back as much lace as I can. Your lace may not have to be pulled back, but I let mine go for a little bit longer, so I was able to completely pull back some of the lace. But in this place, my glue is stuck. I'm taking some alcohol and an old washcloth, and I'm putting the alcohol on the washcloth and gently massaging. Put a reasonable amount of alcohol, but not too much, because you don't want to take the whole lace up. You don't want to soak the lace because you don't want to remove your wig, but you want enough to get all the old glue that's been broken down by your oils and moisture and stuff like that. So I'm taking my lace glue, this is the one that I use at home, and my edge brush, my Shop Soleil edge brush, and it is 3-sided, and I'm going to use the spatula point to get a precise line for my glue. I'm going to dot a few dots and just take the tip of the brush and smooth it out, and do that all across my hairline until it's dry. And I did it about 4 times because I wanted my wig to last a little bit longer. You can do 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, even up to 7, depending on how long you want your wig to last. Just make sure that they're thin layers. I then pulled my baby hairs that I could grab and pull the lace like taunt. Then I took this comb part of the edge brush, and I'm just combing down the lace, and then making sure that the baby hairs aren't sticking into the glue. Again, I'm pulling on the lace and pressing it into the glue, and it's already starting to look much better. I'm pulling on the lace, pressing into the glue, combing the hairs in the direction that I want them to lay. And just combing. This wig is very old, so you can see where I trimmed a lot of lace off. You can see some of the tracks and stuff like that, but it gets the job done. I just want to take the video for you guys. All right, so here we are. We're still kind of ashy, but nevertheless, it's not peeling up, so we can move on to the next step. We're gonna take some foundation. I love the Ruby Kisses Cream 3D Creator Studio Foundation. It is such a long name, but it is oil free. It doesn't leave a glare, and it matches us brown girl color tones. So especially for me, I have like that weird in between shade. Like I'm brown around the edges, but I'm like super yellow in the middle of my face, so it works perfectly. I'm taking my even black can spray. That's my favorite one, but the red can does work. You can use Got To Be too, but this is my fave. I'm pinning my hair up, putting my sleigh bells on over my ears because this is a frontal. You don't have to put it over your ears if you have a closure. I trimmed my baby hairs, and now I'm about to style my hair with my hot comb. This is the key to making your hair look super sleek at all times with the frontal. You comb the hair in and press the flat part against your hair. I'm about to show y'all some technique. Okay, so you insert the comb down and you curve the back of the barrel of the comb against your hair. That's going to give it that super like intentional volume curving. That's what I like to do. That's why I like to style my hair. So if you're trying to figure out how to do that, I know my clients are like, how do I get my bangs like this when I go home? And that's how. So I'm gonna show you again here. To get your part super flat, insert the comb, press down with the back of the barrel, and comb all the way down the strand of the hair, all the way around your head. You're gonna insert the comb right into your head. Boom. Press and curve. I'm pressing and curving. Pressing and curving. And then I go again right underneath it. I press and I curve. I press and I curve. And then I redo the top because I want it to be super flat. And you see that fanning effect? That's what you want. At least that's what I want. So then I'm gonna quickly go ahead and flat iron my hair. I layered this wig up, chopped it up quite a bit, so it had like that natural like blowout super layered look that I had in high school with my real hair. All right, so my little belt is off. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it in for y'all. Comb out like the spray of my hairline and on my baby hairs. You can get a little bit rough. It's not gonna come off, I promise you, especially if you use my glue. And I'm taking some alcohol and cleaning up my hairline, and that's just it after I took all like the extra spray off of it. I took some more foundation and just pat it back into my lace, just like so. You can pull the hairs out, and there we go. That cast is pretty much gone. So I'm gonna take my pencil flat iron, clip and curl. Boom. I'm just taking the little baby hairs and curling them back. It is kind of tricky sometimes if you cut them too short. I cut my baby hairs a little bit too short. So I was trying to burn myself. Don't cut them too short, to be honest. I took some Got To Be, put some on my baby hairs, and hold and swoop, hold and swoop. The curling of it should make it easy for it to just lay down and swoop, to be honest. So curl and swoop, and complete that across your whole hairline depending on how many baby hairs you have and things, and make it look how you want it to look. I sprayed it with some more even spray, and I took my like mini fan. It's for lashes, but it got the job done. Alright, so here is the finished look. Here is my lace after it's been touched up. Okay, this is a transparent lace wig from Shop Salade. And yep, that's how you recreate baby hairs. Glue your hair down, swoop them things back. How to properly hot comb your hair to get it back laid. So let me know how you did on touching up your lace in the comments below after you tried this, after your install's been in for 1 to 2 weeks, maybe 3, depending on how bomb your stylist is. I'd be like 2 to 3 week range, but you know, that's just me. Just kidding. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching this far, and last but not least, keep slaying.